What if I tell you that everything you have been taught about success is a lie? What if the real key to achieving your dream isn't your luck, talent, or effort? Just imagine what would happen if you could rewire your brain to think like a millionaire. I'm not talking about get rich quick schemes. I am talking about that one mindset that will change your life. The mindset that will give you that much success that you never thought it is possible. Stay with me because the thing that I'm gonna tell you is a thing that make one person successful and another one just a loser. If you are watching this right now, it means you have hunger. Hunger of money, hunger of success, hunger of better life, and that's a good thing. But if you are struggling right now and feeling like no matter how hard you try, no matter how hard you work for it, it seems like you are just wasting your time and you will never be successful. And if you are thinking this right now, then don't worry, you are not alone. I was there too. I know what it feels like working like hell, doing every possible thing that can give you success, but you still fail. That feeling, it will eat you alive. That's why today is the day that will change everything for you. It's all about your mindset. And today, I'm going to show you how to think like a millionaire, how to rewire your brain to become successful in life. No fluff, no empty promises, just a thing that will actually work for you. Here's the 5 things that every millionaire knows, but not you. And if you follow this 5-step process, then you will be one of those millionaires. Step number 1. Don't make your money God. If you are thinking right now that money is everything, then you don't know what money truly means. I know, everything needs money, but money is not everything. Some people make money God in their life. They prioritize money over everything, over friend, over family, and even over God. And look at their life. Are they happy? No. Are they having family's love? No. They have mind peace? No. They choose money, but at what cost? Being successful is not about only money. It's about love. It's about happiness. It's all about freedom. Freedom of whatever you want to do, you will do it. But they don't know that being successful and only having money is two different things. And every millionaire knows that. That's why they don't make money their God. They see money as a tool. Tool of love. Tool of happiness. Tool of freedom. They don't chase money. They chase freedom. So if you want to become a millionaire, then think like a millionaire, not an average person. Step number 2. Think big. Millionaires always think big. That's why they are millionaire. They never think small. They always think big. And not only they think, they work like a madman to achieve it. The difference between you and a millionaire is not intelligence or talent. It's their willingness to do those things that they don't want to do, but they still do it anyway. When everyone are distracted in their life, when everyone are craving for pleasure in their life, they take their biggest risk of their life. They don't care what people think about them. They only care what they are thinking about themselves. They act every day regardless their mood and their needs. And you need your mood to act, and it will never gonna happen. Don't wait for perfect moment. Just take a moment and make it perfect. When you make the decision to think bigger than your pleasure and your distraction, you begin to open that door that you never imagined were there. Step number 3. Accept the failure. Failure is not your enemy, it's your best teacher. Think about it. The thing that failure can teach you in 2 minutes, you can't learn in your whole life. Most people avoid failure like it's a cancer, but millionaires don't avoid it, they just accept it. They use those failures as a fuel, as a lesson. Every time you fail, that shows you that you are trying than most people will ever do. If you are failing right now, then don't worry, you are on the right path, you will crack it. Winners have failed more times than they could even count, but they didn't stop because they know they are not failing, they are just preparing for something great. Who is more greater example of failure than Elon Musk? You know everything about him. When he didn't give up, so why you are? Use every failure as a lesson to learn, not the reason to quit. Step number 4. Long-term vision over short-term wins. Millionaires have long-term visions. They are not distracted by the latest trend, the next viral hustle or quick wins. They understand that their true wealth comes from years of focus, planning and effort, not overnight success. Most of the people want quick money. They will choose $1 million right now rather than $100 million in 10 years. But that's not how millionaires think. Millionaires are sacrificing their short-term pleasure for long-term success. You need to understand that the path of true wealth is a marathon, not a sprinter. Stay committed to your long term vision even when the things get tough, because that's where the real rewards lie. Step number 5. Surround yourself with the winners. You heard it before. You are the average of 5 people who you spend most time with. And that's the truth. Your circles matter. Millionaires surround themselves with other successful, driven, and ambitious people. They build network with the people that push them forward, people that pushing them to achieve their dream, not the people who are craving for girls and pleasure. If your circle is not serious about their lives and goals, then it's time to change your circle. Remember it. Your network is your net worth. You have power to change your reality. You can achieve anything in your life. Great house, great car, and a great life. But only if you truly wanted this. Remember it. It's all start with you, within you, and for you. This is all about how millionaires think. But you can't change your mindset overnight. You have to know those things that's stopping you to become successful in life. And if you want to know about those things, then watch this one. See you there.